sis, it's your girl Amy Bunny. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare my ginger oil for rapid hair growth while staying home and safe this COVID period. Here is the amount of ginger I'll be making use of. You can get this at your local market at a very low amount. So I've thoroughly washed my ginger. Now I'm grating it with my grater. Next, I'll be putting my grated ginger into this jar, but if you're using a large amount of ginger, I would recommend you use a larger jar. Then I'll be adding my grapeseed essential oil. You can make use of any other essential oil like your olive oil, your avocado oil, or any other essential oil you have access to. I'm just gonna be eyeballing this until my oil covers up the ginger. Okay, I think this is fine. And I'll be shaking this a little bit. Guys, my jar got broken inside my pot while heating my mixture. I would suggest you use an heat resistance jar that is made up of a borosilicate glass in order not to make the same mistake I made. This is what I could get. Okay, I made another mixture, same step, but in a mud this time around because this is a lot stronger in terms of its resistance to heat than the previous. So here is how I heat up my ginger. I pour in a cup of water in pot, then put in my mug, cover up the pot, put the pot on the cooker and leave it on the low heat for about 20 minutes, then allow to cool overnight. Next, I'll be making use of my muslin cloth in straining out my oil. Here is the amount of oil I could get out of it, and here is what it looks like inside my container. Now my oil is ready for application. I hope this video in one way or the other helped someone out there. See you in my next video on how I applied it on my hair. Thanks for watching.